Hi everyone! I hope you are all well. Do you just need to save money by not spending as much on new clothes all the time? I have some great ideas for how to upcycle clothes and give them a new life. Instead of throwing out your jeans, why not turn them into a beautiful maxi skirt? Cut apart the inseam. Cut as close as possible to the seam as you can. Cut the front and back seams too. Match up the front inseams and the back inseams. Pin and sew up then. Leave a slit in the front about knee high. Let's customize your part in plain tee. Take your measurements. Cut a rectangle and a long strip. Stitch the edges of the rectangle. Fold the strap together and sew it. Thread the strap through the sides of the top. Making your own Bleach shirt is a fun, cheap, and easy way to make a cool, one-of-a-kind t-shirt. Pinch the fabric and twist into a spiral. Wrap it with a rubber band. Spray bleach and leave it for around 10 minutes. Rinse it. I'm going to cut the shirt to make it more cute. be repurposing this old tee into a cute fringe tee. This one is going to be perfect in the summer heat. Draw a line to mark where the fringe will start. Cut off the hem. Start cutting your fringe. Hope you like these DIY projects. Do you want to see more? Here is the next video.